This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to find out what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, let me just zoom into something and see where is the zoom cap will cut me off. So as you can see, apparently the farthest I can zoom in with the default camera app of this device is 8-fold. So 8x is the maximum camera zoom on this phone. This is how the picture will look once zoomed into the max. I was shooting this little logo of ours, and if I were to have more steadier hands, it wouldn't be as blurry and it would have a much better level of details. But as I've already said, my hands are somewhat shaky, and well, the verdict that I have is that the camera zoom on this phone is pretty decent, all things considered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.